Yo guys, welcome to the second part of the live backtesting session. So I'm gonna continue backtesting. So on EU we're still quite bearish. This is not a good swing high, so no setups. Then gold looks quite bearish as well. You could see this as a swing high. So on gold we can take this trade if we get 3R, which I don't think we can. No, it's too, stop loss is too small, so we avoid this one. Then on EU, we're still quite bullish. That's not a swing low, just news, then no other swing low. Small Asia session, so avoiding this one. On GU, the same, no swing low. And GJ, we have this swing low, which looks good. Also this one, but I'm probably going for this one. I'm gonna take this swing low, target opposite Asia, and then aim for a 3R like this. Then that's it. So quite unlucky. We had a front run. So yeah, if we would have taken this low, we would have got tagged out. And just a front run. So we move on to the next day. Being quite bullish here. We could use this as a swing low, but it's not that clean. I'm still gonna take it. But the chances that we just move to the upside and take the Asia high are pretty strong. But still taking it. Then gold, we're quite bearish. I like this high because it leaves this fair value gap. So I'm going for this high and then targeting the opposite Asia like this. Then on EU, being quite bullish. We could take this low, but I don't really like the structure of it, so I'm gonna skip it. Then on GU, let's check on the 1 hour. Also not that clean. Then GJ, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna take this one. And this swing low, which is too large. And I'm going for this one. It's also pretty strong. And that's it. But again, a front run. Now let's take a look on EU, I think it was. No, it was on gold, right? Gold, yeah, we had TP on gold. Pretty clean. So that's plus 3R again. Unlucky that we had a front run on this one because it did sweep the lows. If you would have taken it like this, which I did in the beginning, we would have got 4R. We would have got 4R, so that would not have been valid, like 3.7. So no valid trade for me. So yeah, let's go to the next day. Yeah, these large candles you just want to ignore. You don't want to trade those. Then on gold, we can see bearishness. We have this clean high. This one. And then target this low. Place order. Then EU, again being bearish, but no clean swing highs. So in this case, I would take this high because we can see that we already came back to this fair value gap and respected it. So I'm not expecting this high to also get swept. So my entry stop loss would be here. Take profit at this low. And my entry would be right here. So yeah, we would just get in here. And then on GJ, I don't see anything. So that means that gold will be the only trade. Not the best reaction. But at the end we do get to our take profits. So let's move on to the next day. we're again quite bullish, but I don't see any swing lows, and we already took the Asia high. Oh, this was a trade from yesterday, I mean the day before, that I forgot to analyze, but we took a stop loss on this one. Still a valid trade, trend bearish, the swing high, and yeah, it just moves to stop loss. This will happen, we can't avoid this. So looking for another setup on gold. I don't see anything. Trend is bearish, so yeah, nothing clean. Then on EU, very small Asia range, not interested. GU probably the same, yep. Then GJ, we also have a very small range. We could see this as a potential high, swing high, but I'm not gonna take it. I'll just put it up to see what it does, but probably nothing. Very small stop loss as well, so I would not be interested in this. Skip that one. So no trades for this day. No clean setups on EG, then gold. Gold, nothing on gold. We already took the lows. EU. We can see shorts on EU, but we need a very big pullback then, and I don't really like the swing high, so I think I'll just avoid this one. Then I do like this one. I do like this high, so I'm gonna take this. Oh, we already took the low, so never mind. Then GJ. This looks like a strong low, so I'm taking this buy. Like this. That's the only trade, but nope. Front run. So yeah, let's move to the next day. Then this looks very good. Yeah, this looks good. So on Monday we have this one. Not the best Asia session, but I would still take this. Then on gold, don't really like that. Then EU invalidated since the high is already taken. GU the same. GJ, we could go both ways here, but I don't like this big fair value gap, which was news. So I'm just gonna stick with EG, which is also a front run. So no trades again. Then it's not the cleanest because the Asia range is quite small, and I don't really like the swing highs here. They're not that strong. Then let's look at gold. Again, very big fair value gap here and here, no good swing low. However, I think this one could be a long shot, but the chances of this being hit are very small. So I would take this one, but it will not get filled probably. Then EU, nothing clean, no clean swing high or low. GU the same and already took the low. Then GJ, this looks decent, but not the best reaction out of this swing high. But you could take this one. Yeah, like this. 3R. Let's see. To get tagged in. Let's take a look at the other pair. So the other trade that I took was on gold. Yeah, like I said, it's also a front run. So removing this one, let's take a look at GJ again. Very good reaction. And comes back up. So it's quite late. We had 2R, so I'm moving this to break even. Then I would just hold it overnight and we get tagged out for break even. So that's it. Let's move on to the next day. EG, don't like these ranges, these small Asia sessions. Then on gold, nothing clean. We could see this one, but then I would take my stop loss as this low, and then I would not get 3R, so I'm skipping this. Then EU being bearish. This looks like a decent swing high, so I'll take this one. But I have to take a look at GU first, actually. That looks quite the same. You could even take longs here, but I think it's a bit too risky, like a B setup long, if the short gets invalidated. Then on GJ, you could take this stop loss, this high as a stop loss again, but I won't do it because I don't really like the range we're in right now. So yeah, let's take a look at EU. Oh, this was news. Front run. Okay, so again, EG bearish on this day. I don't really see a clean swing high. Then on gold, we see bullishness. I see this clean swing low, so I'm gonna take this one. Right here, DP right there, and that's it. Looks good. Then EU looking, I would say neutral. Nothing too clean, so I'm just gonna avoid this one. Then GU, quite the same actually. We could use this swing high, but I don't really like it since it's that far away and it's not a high on the higher time frames. You could take this long on GJ. Let's take a look if it's even possible. Yes, it is. But I would not take it. But I would not take it on my funded accounts because I don't really like the range that we're in. But let's just take a look. Okay, that would have been a stop loss, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Let's move on to the next day. This is also the last one. EG looking quite bullish actually. And we have CPI, so we have to watch out. With news, I still take my trades, but I just close a few, like 10 minutes before CPI or FOMC or NFP. But I could see this one as a swing low, but I think the stop loss will be too tight. Yeah, I won't take that. Then gold, we have to remove this one. It was a front run. Then gold, we have this clean swing low, which I will definitely take. And then EU also has a clean trade. We can see this swing low. And GU also has this swing low, but I don't like this one because stop loss will be too small. And then GJ looking bearish, but it's been very choppy. I don't see any clean swing highs or lows. Maybe this one, you could consider taking this as a swing high. I'll just put it up again, but I'm not taking it. Since price action on this pair is pretty choppy right now. Yeah, that wouldn't have been anything. Then gold is not in yet. EU, the same on EU. Front run on EU. And gold, we almost have news, so I would just remove the order as well. So yeah, that's it, I think. Let's now go over the analytics. So in this month, we had a 12% return with 66% win rate, which is pretty high. Normally, I get like a 45% win rate. So this was a very good month. but not every month will be this good. This is a very good month, so I got pretty lucky. So yeah, 6 wins, 3 losses, 9 trades in total. So yeah, that was the backtesting session. I hope you learned something from this. And if you have any questions, just reach out.